Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video, where we'll look at how kits are used to move multiple inventory items together, and we'll review the three types of kits and how they differ. A kit is a placeholder or container, either physical or virtual, that is used to group multiple item IDs together to move them all at once. You would only use a kit if you intend to barcode and track the contents. Each type of kit requires its own part number and at least one item ID depending on the inventory type of the kit. For all kits, the required contents and the quantities must be specified and the kit assembled before it can be issued. Since kits are used only to group existing items, they cannot be on rate sheets for either the transfer or transaction rental modules, and they can't carry service requirements or service history. There are three types of kits: serialized, dissolving serialized, and bulk, and we'll look at each one and how they differ. Serialized kits are the typical kit, and they can contain all inventory types. Required and assigned contents are defined for each kit and are static. Each kit is uniquely tracked and all the inventory stays in that kit. It goes out together and it's expected to come back together. Kit contents cannot be swapped out at time of issue. If a kit contains consumables, they're replenished when the kit is returned so that it's ready for the next time to go out. Any item IDs not returned with the kit are listed as required but disconnected from the kit. An example of a serialized kit would be a laser level kit. Dissolving kits are a variation of serialized kits, so they have the same properties until the kit is issued. At that point, the items are no longer associated with the kit and they're removed as requirements. Use this type of kit to group items together temporarily. An example of a dissolving kit would be a staging or holding area for tools prior to heading out to a project. Bulk kits, like all bulk part numbers, are not uniquely tracked, and so they cannot contain serialized items. The kit part number defines the quantity of each required non-serialized part. Kit contents are not expected to come back with bulk kits. When assembling bulk kits, the inventory adjustments are created for the kit ID to move the inventory from available stock into the kits. All components are added in the quantity required. An example of a bulk kit would be a standard PPE kit issued to each new hire. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team, and remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.